Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's, my name is Richard Rega Xiaoming. My name is 1924 and I will present malicious program. Malicious program definition. A malicious program, commonly known as malware, is any software designed to describe, damage, or gain unauthorized access to computer systems and networks. It can take various forms, including virus, worms, trojan, and ransomware, and is often used to steal sensitive data, such as personal information and financial details, or to cause system disruption. Malware operates without user consent and can generate unwanted pop-up ads, modify system settings, and lead to significant security breaches. Malicious program type. Number one, virus spread via infected file, and worm spread itself via network without user assistance. Trojan, disguise of legacy software. Ransomware, log data and demand ransom. Spyware, spy on user activities directly. Adware, display excessive advertisement on the system. Rootkit, hide other malware to make it understandable. Backdoor, give hidden access to the system. Botnet, controlling multiple computers for a mass attack. Scareware, disable with fake alert to provoke action. Malicious program, how to spread. Phishing email. Number one, phishing email. Attackers send fake, legitimate-looking email with malicious attachment or link. When user click on them, the device can infected. Number two, malware testing. Malicious ads. Malicious ads disappearing on website can take user to either spread malware even if the user does not click on the end. And number three, USB and external storage device. Malicious program can spare to crowd external storage device, such as a USB. If the device is plugged into another computer, malware can be infect, infected without the user's knowledge. Number four, use core Wi-Fi networks. Using public or unsecure Wi-Fi network can allow hackers to access device and spread malware. Number five, the torrents and download from unofficial source. Downloading file via torrents of authorized source often include malicious program disguised as legitimate file. Malicious program real case example. WannaCry 2017. WannaCry is ransomware that spread drive to 150 more countries, taking advantage of security holes in Windows that had not been updated in encrypt victim file and demanded a ransom in Bitcoin. The attack had a major impact on the UK, Health Service NHS, and various companies around the world. Stuxnet 2010. Stuxnet was a computer worm designed to damage Iran nuclear facilities. The worm attacked industry control system SCADA and damaged centrifuges by changing their rotation speed. Stuxnet is considered a cyber attack carried out by state with strategic objective. Malicious program signal of infection. Device slowdown. Number one, device slowdown. A suddenly slow or unresponsive device could be a sign of malware infection. This happens because the malware used the device resort to run is the processor. Number two, excessive ads or pop-up. One of the common symptoms of infection, the appearance of unwanted ads or pop-ups. Even when not accessing the site display the ads. Number three, unauthorized system setting change. Suddenly, checking system settings, such as checking browser home page or string network settings can indicate infection. Number 4. Fake notification or fake antivirus program. Warning coming from unknown source, such notification that your device is infected and request you are force certain software are a sign of malware. Malicious program impact. Number 1. Data and system damage. Number 2. Theft of personal and business information. Number 3. Authorizer use the resource. Number 4. Financial loss. Number 5. Impact on reputation. And number 6. Future spread of malware. Number 7. Misuse of access. Number 8. Degradation of system performance. And number 9. Legal and compliance issue. Malicious program, how to protect. And the first, use reliable antivirus and anti-malware. And second choice, update your system and software regularly. And number 3, beware of suspicious email and attachment. Number 4, use strong and unique password. Number 5, enable firewall on device and network. Number 6, avoid visiting suspicious website. And number 7, download software only from trusted source, no illegal. Number 8, enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. Number 9, backup data regularly. And number 10, use a VPN for secure internet connection. Tools for malware scan. Number 1, Windows Defender. Number 2, Malwarebytes. Number 3, Avast Antivirus. Number 4, Kaspersky Antivirus. Number 5, by the vendors antivirus. Number 6, Asset Note 32. Number 7, Software Home. Number 8, Spybot Search and Discretion. Number 9, Komodo Antivirus. And the last, Hitman Pro. Malicious program consolation. Malicious programs such as virus, ransomware, and spy are serious threat technology. Users that can spread through phishing email, fake software, or security exploiting loss as data loss, individual left, and the system reset. Therefore, it's important to stay vigilant by using the upload antivirus, avoiding suspicious links, perform regular data backups, and educating yourself on digital protection techniques. Thank you.
Will present inside the computer. Component introduction. What are the components of the first one? The first one, CPU, Central Processing Unit, the brain of the computer that executes commands and process data. Number 2, RAM, Random Access Memory, temporary storage of data that is used when the computer is active. Number 3, motherboard, the main board that connects all the components of the computer so that they can communicate with each other. GPU, graphic processing unit, the component that process and display graphic to the screen, essential for gaming and design or editing. And last, storage, permanent data storage media such as HDD or SSD, where the files are stored. CPU processor. The CPU is the core of the computer system. That is the trigger of execute command from software by performing logic, arithmetic, and control operation. It processes data, manage program workflow, and ensure that each instruction is executed precisely and sequentially. the faster and more powerful the CPU, the more efficient the computer is at performing various tasks, ranging from light application to heavy processing such as rendering or simulation. For example, Intel Core and AMD Ryzen. Why are the two processors, namely Intel Core and AMD Ryzen? Because Intel Core and AMD Ryzen exist the both competent to provide processor with different advantages. Intel focus on efficiency and performance per core, while AMD excel in core count. AMD excel in core count and affordability. RAM memory. RAM serves as the temporary storage for data that is being used by the operating system, application, and active programs. Due to this high speed, RAM allows the CPU to access data quickly without having to retrieve it from slower storage media such as HDD or SSD. The larger the RAM capacity, the more tasks can be run simulation or multitasking without slowing down the computer performance. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that becomes the central hub of all computer components such as CPU, RAM, GPU, storage, and PSU. Its function is to organize communication between these components so that they can work in the integrated of efficient manner. In addition, the motherboard also provides slot ports and power and data lines so that each hardware device can be installed and function properly. Without a motherboard, computer component would not be able to connect and operate. GPU graphic card. The GPU is in charge of processing and rendering visual display, such as image, video, animation, and 3D games, so that they can be displayed on the screen smoothly and in detail. This component is essential for jobs that require high graphic performance such as graphic design, video editing, architecture, and gaming. GPU work is parallel, so they can process millions of pixels at once, much more efficiency than CPU when it comes to visual. Storage. Storage serves to permanently store data, including the operation system, application, documents, photo, video, and other files, so that they can be accessed at any time, even if the computer is turned off. SSD, solid state drive. SSD use flash memory to store data, so have much faster read speed and more shock resistant, more power efficiency, and less noise. HDD, hard disk drive. HDD use spinning magnetic disk to read and write data 8 per GB than SSD, but are slower and prone to physical damage. Power supply unit. The PSU power supply unit functions to convert electric current from a source, usually PLN electricity, into direct current DC that is suitable and stable for use by computer components such as the motherboard, CPU, GPU, and storage. The PSU also distributes power to each component with the right voltage and protect the system from electrical surge or disturbance that can damage hardware. Future tech, future tech, or maybe is something that has happened in the future. And first, quantum processing. Quantum computing is type of computing that use the principles of quantum physics such as superposition, interference, and entanglement to process information much faster than classical computer for a given task. And second is optical RAM. Optical RAM is experiment type of memory that use like photo instead of electrical signal to store and transfer data, promising much higher speed. The combination RAM such as DDR5 and 3 holographic storage is advanced data storage technology that use light and hologram to store information in the 3 dimension, enabling very large computation and of high write speed.
Conclusion and fun fact: each computer component work together like a human body system, where the CPU is the brain, RAM is the short-term memory, and the storage is the long-term memory to create optimal performance. The first computer, ENIAC 1945, weighed 27 tons and took up the room the size of the house now. Is the power can the fit in your pocket in the from the smartphone. That's all my presentation from malicious program and inside the computer included. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.